In the last few months, this faceless YouTube channel has made over $7,000 from uploading these simple animated Bible stories.
Have you ever walked so far away from love
that you thought you could never be forgiven? But what if the one you ran from never stopped waiting for you? In a quiet village surrounded by golden fields lived a father with 2 sons. The younger one, restless, always looking beyond the hills, dreaming of freedom. One morning he said,
"Father, give me my share of the inheritance."
The father's eyes filled with pain, but love let him go. So, the young man packed everything, coins, clothes, pride, and left. He ran into a world full of lights, laughter, and lies.
And if you take a closer look, it has gotten over 26.2 million views, which is just insane. This is another channel doing the same thing. This channel has only uploaded 25 videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own animated Bible stories YouTube automation channel using this same method. Alright, so the process to create your first video involves 4 simple steps. Number 1, coming up with viral story scripts. First, to come up with a viral story idea, you can use ChatGPT, Deepseek, or Google Gemini to do that. But this is the process I followed. If you want to have a viral story idea, go to area of this channel or search the particular channel you want to mimic. After searching the channel, then go down and under here, you need to filter down their popular videos. After filtering down the popular videos, just go through the videos and check the most viral videos on this channel, and that is the video we are going to create. For example, David and Goliath story. This particular story, you need to click on it to open the story up.
There was once peace in Israel.
And here, once you open up the video, what we are trying to do from here is to copy the script from this video. Let me tell you something, do not just copy the script and use it like that. I'm going to show you how to go around it. Open the video, then if you come down here, this is a tool I installed on my device. This tool is only available for those using laptop. For you using mobile phone, I will tell you how to get the transcript for any video. This extension is called YouTube Text Tools. Just have to go to your Google Chrome, and from the Google Chrome here, just search for Chrome extension. This you are going to see, click on Chrome Web Store, and from here you can search for any extension you are looking for. This extension name, remember, is called YouTube Text Tools. So I'm going to search for YouTube Text Tools, and this is the extension you should install. Click on it and it will open it up. Here you are seeing remove from Chrome because it is already added to my Chrome. For your own end, you will see add to Chrome, then you need to add that to your Chrome, and then you'll be able to see this transcript. For those using mobile phone, go to your Google Chrome, make sure you turn your Google Chrome web browser to desktop mode. At the downside here, you'll be able to see show transcript. If you click on that, YouTube is going to show the transcript of the video, and from here you can copy the entire transcript for that video. So that is for those using phone. So for those using laptop, after installing this particular Chrome extension, come here and click on copy. Now this particular script has been copied. So what we are going to do from here is to go to this particular website called Deepseek. This is the website we are going to use. From my own finding, this website is generate good story for you. So you are going to type in this in the text box area, follow this script pattern and write a YouTube video script for me on the story of David and Goliath. So you just have to input the story you want to write your script on. After that, give space and then paste in the entire video transcript you just copied. Then you click on send. This website is going to start writing your script for you. And as you can see, the website has just given us the script that we need to create our video. After getting your script like this, then the next thing you are going to do is to enter in this prompt. Kindly create different visual video text prompt for each scene. It should be in 3D pizza style, animated, highly detailed. This particular part is very important to include in this particular prompt. Now after entering this, then you send it, and what it's going to do right now is going to generate a visual text prompt that you can use to generate the animated video for each of your scene. So you don't have to stress yourself coming up with each of these things from your head. So here you can see it has generated those visual prompt for our entire video from scene 1 down to the last scene. And after that, now let's go ahead to get our voiceover for our video. To get our voiceover for your video, you need to go back to your script. So this is the script for the video. What we need to do from here is to copy this entire script, select it, and then you copy it. Now we need to go over to this particular website. This website is totally free. You don't need to pay anything to do this. It's called Google AI Studio. When you come to this website, over here click on generative native speech. After, when you click on this, then you need to come down here where you see Gemini. Make sure this Gemini 2.5 Pro TTS is selected. Once that is selected, make sure you select single speaker audio. Select that and then come down here. This is where you can pick the voiceover artist to voice over your video. If you click on this play option, you can listen to how each of these voiceover sounds like.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind? What do you want to explore?
So I think I like this voice, so I'm going to select that voice, and then here this is where you enter in the style instruction for your voiceover actor. So inside this place, this is what you are going to enter. Read aloud in a deep narrative storytelling tone. Make sure that this colon is not removed. After entering that, we need to go ahead and in this text box area, you paste in your entire script. What we'll do from here is to just edit this script. Make sure all these timestamps are removed. Your entire script. Now, after removing the entire timestamp from our script, right now we are going to go down here and click on run. This is what you need to bear in mind. If your script is long, then this website generates 10-minute audio voiceover at a go. So if your script is longer than that, after generating the first part voiceover, then you go ahead again and generate the second part voiceover for your script.
The Israelite army, led by a worried King Saul.
Come down here, click on this three dots, and you will see this download option. Click on it and our voiceover will be downloaded. And this leads us to our step 3, which is to generate the visual that we need for each of our scene. So from here, this is the scene 1. So we need to use this particular prompt to generate the visual style for this particular scene. Make sure you copy this, highlight this particular prompt, and then for this we are going to be using this website called Flow. Remember, you can also use Clink to do this. You can also use OpenArt AI to do this, but for this video I'll be using Flow. If you haven't watched my video on how to get the 1-month free Flow subscription, simply go and watch that video. It will be in the video description for you to watch. When you come to the Flow website, make sure you click on new project, and then from this down side, paste in the prompt you just copied. So this prompt is saying 3D pizza style animation, wide shot of the sun drench, hills of Bethlehem, highly detailed, lush greens and that. So what we need to add to this your prompt, you make sure that you include sound effects. Use the right sound effects. So that is what you should add to your prompt. After adding that, then you need to click here to make sure you select the right model for your video. For this video, if you want to have voice over your video, you select Veo 3 Fast Better Audio. This first one. Once that is being selected, select the aspect ratio, landscape, then the output, make sure it's 1 so that you don't waste your credit. After that is being selected, then come here and click on send to generate your video. While that video is still generating, so for the scene 2, we'll copy this and then we'll go back again to the Flow website, come down here and paste in the prompt you just copied. Also enter use the right sound effect. After entering that, send it again. So you can see this is the video that we have for our first scene. So we can simply play this video and see how it looks like. You can see how clean and beautiful the video looks. Now you click on this download option, and here you can download the original size 720p, or you can upscale to 1080p and download. So you are going to repeat this same process for all the scene that you have. After getting all your video, then you can then go ahead to our final step, which is editing this video, combining it together to have your full long video. And to combine our video together, you can use Canva or you can use CapCut. You can also use InShot. But for this video, I will just have to use CapCut because that is what I have available for me. Now, when you open up CapCut, it is accessible on your mobile phone, so you can also do that. click on create project, and after that you are going to see this entire interface. Click on import to import all the necessary files that you need for your editing. So for this is the file I need, and then this is the voiceover we also generated. Click on open to import them. Now the first thing we need to add is our voiceover. This is the voiceover we generated. Click on it to add it down here to your timeline, and that voiceover has been added. Now you can play it to listen to how it sounds like.
War erupts as the Philistines attack Israel. The Israelite army, led by a worried King Saul, faces a terrifying threat, a giant warrior.
We are going to start adding in our clip. So this is the first clip. You listen to your voiceover, listen to where that clip is supposed to be placed, and then you bring in the clip to place it at that particular location.
War erupts as the Philistines attack Israel.
Now you will notice that the clip we are adding, there's a sound effect under it, so you can simply click on it, go to audio and reduce the background sound so that it doesn't disturb your voiceover that much.
War erupts as the Philistines attack Israel. The Israelite army, led by a worried
Alright, so we can add the next clip.
King Saul, faces a terrifying threat, a giant warrior named Goliath. War erupts as the Philistines attack Israel. The Israelite army, led by a worried King Saul, faces a terrifying threat, a giant warrior named Goliath. Each day, Goliath marches to the valley to mock the Israelites and challenge them to single combat.
Alright, so you can see the video. So you keep adding your video clip, cover your entire voiceover. After that, you can then add caption over your video. You can add sound effects under your video. You can also add background music to add life to your video. And if you are finally satisfied, you can then go ahead and click on this export option to export your video. But I promise you guys, I'll be transparent with you. So let me tell you something. If you are inconsistent in your posting schedules, you will not see any significant result, and you should also save up money to invest in some good AI tools that can help you move faster. If you want me to guide you and mentor you on this, you can use the link in the video description to book a call with me. Those I've mentored are doing really well. Let me know in the comment section what niche video you would like me to create a video on, and if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. I will see you guys in my next video.